Hey everyone, Jason here from Eiferer Home Automation. In today's video, I'll guide you through how to integrate your Sunsynk inverter with Home Assistant. A great way to unlock real-time data in your smart home setup. If you haven't installed Home Assistant yet, check out our intro video linked in the description before diving into this one. Let's jump in. First, we'll get the info we need from the Sunsynk Connect app. Open your app and note down your user credentials if you don't already have them saved. Then go to Equipment and copy your device ID or IDs if you have more than one inverter. That's all we need from Sunsynk Connect. Now let's grab the information we need from Home Assistant. First, find your IP address by going to Settings, System, Network, IP version 4. It's a good idea to use a static IP address here, ideally outside the DHCP range, but still inside your local subnet for your IoT devices. Next, get your long-lived access token. Go to your profile, click on the Security tab, click Create Token, name it something like Solarsynk. Make sure to copy and store this token safely. You won't be able to view it again. Lastly, take note of the Home Assistant port. Default is usually 8123, but just check the URL to confirm. With everything ready, let's install the Solarsynk integration. Shout out to Martin Viljoen for creating this add-on. In Home Assistant, go to Settings, Add-ons, Add-on Store. Click on the three dots in the top right, then choose Repositories. Pasting this link, we've added it to the video description. Refresh your screen. You should see Solarsynk at the bottom. Click on it, then install. Give it a minute or two, grab some coffee. Just a quick note, this integration fetches data from the cloud. If the internet goes down, your inverter data will stop updating. We'll cover offline fallback solution in future videos using templates or Node-RED. Once installed, head over to the Configuration tab and fill in your Sunsynk Connect username and password, your device ID. If you have multiple inverters, go to the YAML editor and add one more like this. Enter your Home Assistant IP address and port. Paste in your long-lived access token. Enable HTTPS only if your Home Assistant is using it. Turn on verbose logging if you want details troubleshooting info. Now hit Start on the add-on. To make sure it's working, go to Developer Tools, search for entries starting with Solarsynk _. If you're seeing values populated, congratulations. You're successfully connected. If not, enable verbose logging, restart the add-on, and check the logs for errors. You've now got your Sunsynk inverter talking to your Home Assistant. In future videos, we will show you how to build automations, dashboards, and safety fallbacks for offline detection. So make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated. If you got stuck or have any questions, drop them in the comments. We're here to help. Thanks for watching and happy automating.